hotter. Hotter, hotter, hotter. Where them a go do ya know? New link and the attack now. Hotter, hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter, hotter, hotter.
Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Blessings, viewers and subscribers. You don't know, so they're attacking boss there, man. So now, people, I have seen so much videos I've sent to me, and I just want to say blessings and big up to every one of my followers, my subscribers, who has sent me so much videos for me to share what's going on in Jamaica during this, you know what I mean, dreadful time with these flood. Because I'm from Jamaica, people, and I have seen flood before, but to be honest, I never seen nothing like this before. I never saw nothing like this before in Jamaica with these flooding. You understand? And these are back-to-back floodings. We know that these are coming from the tropics because of you have tropical storm out there in the sea and everything, people. But I'm saying, and we know that this year they have predicted that we're going to get so much, you know what I mean, hurricane and tropical storm, so much things going to happen active out there in the sea, contributing to the heat earlier this year. But all I can say, people, in Jamaica, yo, we don't need for cool down, you know. We don't need for cool enough things on order. Because the other day, I see an earthquake shook yesterday or early this morning. Listen me, we don't need to think, you know what I mean, the art we have and the cruelty so we are do against our brothers and sisters. The Almighty has see us, you know. You understand? The Almighty has see us, and these are signs and warning to us. You get me? All of the people who are mixing a corruption and a stifle the youth them. You know what I mean? All of the wicked people who do the ghetto youth them be a wickedness same way. The Almighty has sown, you know, the richer people who have it and not help the lower class them and watch the lower class them suffering. You could have $1 million in your pocket and you come to boom and contribute even $1 and assist somebody who in need. You know what I mean? Lot of rich people out there. I'm talking entertainers, I'm talking business people, I'm talking all of these rich people who brag and boast on social media with their money. Enough of who comes to boom and donate, even buy something to give the less fortunate in Jamaica. You understand? These are signs and warning the Almighty has shown. A lot of the man that we have to take up the gun, the man that go and kill off the innocent people. These are signs the Almighty has shown. A lot of So listen here. Me are the ruler, me are the leader, me are the king. You understand? But lot of feel to understand. You feel like you can go this and do this and do that. Hey, think I say it gonna work? So viewers and subscribers, let me just share these videos with you people, because there are so much video that was sent to me and I decided that, you know, a new link, let me just share it to my viewers and subscribers, because I don't know, say, we have people all over the world that's been watching our thing, and, you know what I mean, it's just terrible people, and pray for our brothers and sisters in Jamaica and around in surrounding countries, I understand, in Central, in North America and those places, and in the Caribbean, you know what I mean, over in Bahamas, in Cayman Islands, because here they are affected by a lot of weathers also. So, you know what I mean, people, you know, just love your brothers, love your sister, be good and be great. And here you start tell her, a long time on the year, I'm not sure him did get fire. Just feel like giving back a chance. But watch people, and so I go on at the attacking boss of that. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now. Thank you very much.
Good morning, people. This is the current situation of Stanhopehill Garden Town. The entire road gone. Entire road is gone. Look at it. The entire road and Garden Town is gone. This is just a walking thing. The entire road, nothing is left. Nothing is left of the road. The entire thing gone to the river. Only walk foot.
What's up, man? Whole place messed up. Lock the gate, Vince. Lock by the gate, yeah.
When water come through my house, water come through Steve house. Yeah. So it's going to go to labor.
I know, look on dirt road, people. On dirt road. There's a road this, you know. Not the gully, the road. The road, so the gully over there, so. The road is dirt road, otherwise called Weeze Road. And the people in yard. Look on the people in car. You know the people in yard, that's it. Fuck you up, man. Fuck you go down. See gully here? You and the gully there on the same level. You tell me and the gully there on the same level.
So Grand Spend go the things, is it? Wash your car.
House and land too.
House and land too.
We say all I gully bus out and the people most are flood out.
If you don't get chucked about them, I'll be a fuck for them do. Waste of money.
Jaja.
I got a piece of stuff. Hold on.
Oh, look there. Right and out of Bull Bay. Jaja.
Live and direct from Freedom News. Blood out. Wait down, I must go in there.
Yeah.
New Steve back here.
Yeah.
Tayo, ito naman yung sakal Mexico ngayon.
What? I mean, I still go one more.
Yeah.
Right. Yo, the man got that.
More flows over. What is over? What is over, boy?
You know, blows over.
Yeah, man, don't do.
Nah, look pal. What time up, man?
Yeah, that you know, go back home.
All I want is to look at time up.
Garden Town Road, there is no road. The wall is gone. The road is gone. Only persons who are walking can cross, and bikes. It is completely impassable by vehicles. Only motorcycles and those who are walking can pass. Completely impassable.
I say, we have to come out in the rain for this. Look, Fan River, what are gully name? Sandy Gully. Me backside. The river this. Rotted. Watch out. This is more than river. We have to come out in the rain for this.
Sorry, I'm not able to go live, but this is what the road look like at Garden Town. This is immediately after you leave out of village. And it's breaking, it's breaking, it's breaking. And I'm talking about some massive stones are coming down. Aye! Head boy, head boy, head boy, head boy, head boy!
It is coming! It is coming! It is coming! It is coming like crazy!
Fuck!
All of them people that were there, so why them not move? Eh? Why them not move?
This is very urgent in Gordon Town. The main road in Gordon Town is gone. Look at it. The main road is gone. The main road in Gordon Town is gone completely at this moment. Everything is gone. It's just a walking track they leave on the main road. We need National Work Agency emergency. We need Miss Wholeness. We need the Prime Minister. The main road in Gordon Town has gone to the river.
Alright, so that's another house. Normally on a regular day, guys, this house is high. I'm telling you, on a regular day, as you can see, those persons are trapped inside. They can't come out. It's crazy. They don't have any house. Like, that's the river inside the house. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, still having the water running in. Mommy, I can't come.